How to use notes and memos in YNAB transactions. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories and recent transactions. To add a note or memo to a transaction, tap on plus transaction. Enter the transaction amount, select the payee, choose the category and pick the correct account. Next, look for the note or memo field. Here you can add extra details about a transaction, such as what it was for and why it was necessary or any reminder for future reference. For example, you might write grocery shopping for the week or monthly subscription for streaming services. You can also edit existing transactions to include or update notes at any time. Once you have filled in all the details, tap Save. YNAB will now store your transaction along with the note, making your budget more organized and easier to track. Now you know how to use notes and memos in YNAB transactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.